Hello everyone. Dang it. Hey everyone, it's Cassidy again, back at you with another unboxing video. Whoa! I did the FabFitFun summer box last year, skipped all the other boxes, and now we're gonna do the summer 2020 box today. So let's go ahead and dig in to this bad boy because I want to see what's in it. This is not sponsored, by the way. They have no idea I exist. I'm just a loyal customer. I always enjoy opening these, so let's see. Let's see if I can open it quicker this time. I'm gonna say that's a no on opening it quicker. All right, let's do the big reveal. I really hope I'm for real. Dun 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 dun. All right, so you can't see anything yet. They always put in a magazine with info about all of the products, and I think it even says the prices in here. So we'll go through at the end and I'll give you the rundown of just how much it actually is worth, because I feel like that's a question a lot of people have with subscription boxes. Is it really worth paying every month or every 3 months? I think this one's every season. All right, so we've got $50 credit to Bright Cellars, which is, I think, is a wine subscription. That's interesting. We've got $90 off for the Green Chef. I think that's a meal plan thing. Interesting, because they usually do, there's usually Hello Chef ones in these. I wonder if they switched who they work with. I wonder if there's some drama in the home meal kit world. Probably not. Alrighty, okay. I'm not good at this. Alright, can y'all see this? Here's what the box looks like. There's a lot of confetti that I'm probably going to spill all over everywhere in creation. So I'm just going to show you one by one what we're rolling with. Some of this I got to pick out because I pay for the whole year ahead of time. I don't really remember what I picked though. It was a while ago, so let's see what we got. Alrighty, first thing we have here, the Giving Keys, ending homelessness through employment. That's cool. So I guess their company employs homeless people and kind of gives them a new start, but it's a little necklace with a tiny key. How cute. I kind of want to put it on. I'm gonna put it on. That's adorable. It's so small. It's a nice silver chain with a little baby key on it. You can make it, it looks like there's 4 or 5 different lengths that you can put it at. It's just a cute little baby key. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm liking that. All right, next item we have, ooh, look at the packaging on this. Super cute. I love the flowers. So this is Terre, pronunciation, Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Anti-aging. Don't know if I really need the anti-aging benefits quite yet, but I don't really have a toner that I've been using, so this might be a fun thing to try. Lots of fun bubble wrap on this. Love that. Very secured in here. Ooh, okay, so this bottle, can you hear that? It's a very sturdy bottle. Looks very bougie. I feel like this would just look really nice on your like vanity or something. Okay, so it's a toner, so I'm gonna guess it just kind of pours out onto like a cotton ball or something. Yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. I'll have to give this a go sometime. All right, so our third item we have here, Spongelle. Spongelle. Can you see that? hand cream, coconut verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and tell you how it smells, because that's the most important thing with any product, is the smell. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. Oh yes, it smells good. It's got a little dollop there on the palm. Ooh, yes, that smells real good. I'm loving that. Okay. So far, I don't really know how the toner works, but I like the packaging. So far I would say we are winning with this box. All right. Next item, Tarocco foot cream. Sicilian blood oranges, I guess is the smell. Interesting. I'm not gonna show you my feet, but I could probably use this. I think I had a foot thing in the last summer one. They must think your feet get real nasty in the summer. Smells good. I'll have to try this one out later. Let me know if you want me to tell you how any of these were, like the toner and the foot cream. Ooh, okay. Next here we've got Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray. The brand is Amika. Love the packaging on this one. It's super cute. It's kind of like retro looking. And it looks like, I guess you just spray this on your hair and kind of gives it a little boost. I wonder if we can go ahead and try some of this out. Okay, smells good. Let's kind of... Ooh, okay, there we go. Now we're spraying. Let's see if this does anything. My hair's kind of dead today. Is it working? Are we getting volume? How are we doing here? All right, next item. We have Winky Lux Uni-Brow Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, so we've got a makeup product here. It says Universal Shade, which I guess means that it works for every hair color. I have kind of just a medium brown eyebrow, so I wonder if it's just a clear gel. Never used anything from this brand, but I see it at Target all the time, so I feel like it's gotta be pretty good if it's at Target. I like the little gold shimmery packaging. On one end we've got the pencil part. This looks brown to me. Let me go ahead and swatch this. This looks, can you see that? It looks a little bit dark. I don't really know if I would call this a universal color. I feel like something like this is kind of a risk to put in a box like this, because if you have like really light blonde eyebrows, this, I guess it'll fill them in and make them pop, but I don't know if that would work for everyone. So that's kind of a bold statement. And then there's the little brush on the end to kind of brush them out. I'll have to give this a go. It might work for me. I can do a little bit darker than this, but I think it's bold to say that it works for everyone. So this one is a little iffy in my opinion. All right, so I think we have two final items, and then I'm gonna add up all of the prices. So we've got the packaging. I'm like obsessed with packaging. I don't know what it is. Yumi Kim wireless charging pad. So I've had a wireless charger before and it did not work. It didn't do a single thing. I didn't pay a ton for it, but I was thinking it would do something. Just rip the box. Rats. So let's see what this looks like. Ugh, this is so cute. I really want this to work. Look how cute this is. And then the cord is blue to match. If this works, it'll be the cutest wireless charger ever, and it'll kind of match my phone too with this nice. So I'll try some of these out and then let you know in the comments. I'll probably have a pinned comment about how I feel about some of these that I try out later. So stay tuned for that. Okay, and our final item is actually a Michael Kors item, so that's kind of bougie. All right, so I believe this is, I think I remember picking this one out. It's a passport wallet, which don't have a passport yet, can't really travel anywhere right now, but in the future, I will be traveling in style. So it's just a simple Michael Kors wallet. It's got lighter brown leather on the inside. Lots of space to put cards, ID, and of course your passport. So I think this will be really nifty and come in handy in the future when I can travel. Alright, so we've taken a look at all the items. I've made quite a mess, making sure there's nothing hidden in the bottom here. So now we're gonna go through and add up the prices so I can tell you if this box is worth your money. I paid, I think $49.99 is what one box typically goes for. If you're a new customer, I think you get $10 off. And if you pay for the whole year, it takes a little bit off of each one. But basically, about $50 a box. So, let's see what these products retail at. So, the wireless charger retails at $35. I'm going to keep the running total at the bottom of the screen so you can see it. So the wireless charger retails for $35. The Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet retails for $78. The Giving Keys Mini Key Necklace retails for $45. The Terre, Aloe, and Tea Tree Toner retails for $54. The Amika Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray retails for $25. Winky Luxe Eyebrow Pencil retails for $16. The Cali Cosmetics Foot Cream with Menthol and Tarocco retails $24. The hand cream retails $18. And that's it. It's about $280, paid $50, so I think that's a good bang for your buck. And these seem like they'll be good. Some of these I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of, and some maybe not as much, but I can pass this on to other people as gifts because they might like it a little bit better. So, are you a FabFitFun subscriber? Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think it's worth the money? Are you gonna keep subscribing? If you haven't tried it before, maybe now's the time. I think you get $10 off if you sign up. I think I might have like a referral code. I don't know. If I do, I will link it here or in the description below. Make sure to like this video if you like unboxings. I might do some more in the future. Maybe I'll keep going every time I get a box of these. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. I'm gonna try to do fun, kind of girly videos every single week. So I'll catch you next time. Bye!